Hello, my lovely people. Today I am here to discuss something little with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Motivation TV. Today I am here to discuss something little with you. What I was able to discuss with you is life without Christ is unsuccessful to succeed. Edena wunimu abrabom. Edena abrabo amawa kudru. Edena wa pass it through what hu ni so abrabom. Ene me pesa me no kan asam ketua bi wo abrabom. Na de me pesa me no kan nyina nie. Se abrabo aye boy no se yi nyame to nkyɛn a entimi nyi me no mi no entimi nyi. De enti a make se yi nyame to nkyɛn wo abrabom a entimi nyi nyina ne se. Esese nyame be center of our life. Center of our life. And into a topic I'm debe matuni din say life without Christ is unsuccessful to succeed. As I say, inviting me, we need to invite God in our life. Yes. Because the sometimes brain say nyame eni ya brabon. Do time bia ya masikane we say japade ne niema ye pe no atwe adwen akọ. Na de me pesa me catch on say enipa biala abrabo a obo nyame wom no enema nyina wie ne peye ne wie ne yi minua wo hwe me de enti me pesa abrabom no ye pesa ye manya me bai abrabom ni nyina ne se wo bayire wo ho aye adwuma wo bayire wo ho abon ho modin wo bibia mu na abrabo ye nema mienu pe e wo asetena we mu. Missy abrabo eye nema mienu pe wa setena we mu. Either physical and spiritual. Abrabo na ye bo na ye nema mienu pe ene etimi survive. Physical and spiritual. Fine, metiase physical no edu time bia enipa bono ho modern wa abrabom. Physical no enipa focus enipa determine say obayire no achieve bibi wa abrabom. But ebe we say no they all struggle, they all prepare nyina no ontimi baby opese oduru abrabom no nya ho na se oduru eno no kire o say physical ne du tan bi abrabom no oyire ho bo abrabo no oyire ho say upese utimi achieve with die upese oduru baby a upese oduru no na so du tan bi a enye de wo expect na na wunya. Let me tell you, Nyankopon obo so bo asase oye nyame oye ototorobo nsu Nyankopon na so etekin for 7 good days and so no dey boss through ne asase ne munipa ne munua ne mumu anyina. Sometimes when they make a choice say ade bia na wo do wonsa besom na sometimes no a reject no, it doesn't mean say you must to give up. Yes, because Nyankopon no boss so boss as in the 2 million nyina ekura no so otimi de ena makoma konso na boss so boss as bo munipa bo munua nyina de na make a choice say don't give up. All you need is you must to push forward. Yes, because the enter do time bia make asa ni nyina ne say aya ne nipa bi mu bu ho a say you do time bi say you face problem bi we abrabo ma aya ye pese Nyankopon ye certain miracle bi maye naka anka ne how na to atwa. No, the enter make us know say God can do better than what you were expecting. Nyame betimi aye amoma de won kasa wo expecting pono odu beduru po atwam. Yes, nyame do beduru de wo expect na e dey atwam. Enitina America cho say so sometimes no say yetena say na say de adwuma ya ware ade bia ye bo ye fia ye sie abrabo business bia ye pese ye no say ye manyame eye middle of the center you achieve. Because a do time bia obetimi bobra obetimi tu kwan kwa brochire obetimi tu kwan obi wasika timi balance $1 million. But yes still no at the end of the time no na de obedi kura no woni bi even baby process and coordinate titu no mpo no wantimi mpo anya bi bibia mpo no wotimi yeye. Ben no, I am here to encourage you. Yes, I am here to advise you. I am here to motivate you. Say, don't give up. Don't give up. because Nyankopon clamp no boss so boss no. He keep on moving. He keep on moving. Because do time no bon some person sonishe. It do time be sorry ne bawa bra bom ni Nyankopon de testify. Now cast up person obedi nyame achi ne ne ya wa ye depi se Nyankopon wan hu ni nsenchine ne a ontina se. The me person me catch on no life without Christ is unsuccessful to succeed. Adebia wo ye nyame nim no. Enye yo. Enye ye debi. Enye ye adebia wo ye nyame nim no. Enye ye debi. Obi obe dwen say eke die na mehu a abrabom no me ya enye ye but nipa so me se minim no onko asori. Ebia onye bibia kire say oni nyame wa pam but ne bibia ye. From today and then wo hu no but yenhwe how far obeduru because if say nyame mo bibia odu hye ase no sanso di wo wie de me pesa me ka kire won say abrabom no du tembia ye nyame mra the middle of our life. Edu tembia ni amasi kesisi ya so edu tembia ni amade ye wasisi ya so edu tembia na ye focus wa abrabo ni ma even ye mfanya men kan abrabo no eni tin edu tembia na ade bia na wo ye na wo struggle you are struggle o struggle on. Yes, because anytime me din kan catch on say life no abrabo na ye bon eye niema menu pe only two aspects, spiritual and physical. Because have you feed your soul? Have you feed? How did you let your spirit be in the hands of the Lord? Yes, because ablabona ubon ewiase na hokwa ewiase na hokwa. Yes, demi pesa me no kanono ewiase na hokwa. It is a deep invite God. Let God be within. Let God be the first. You need to talk to God before you started. Yes. Because the time make any say ye here a radio ya brabum. I am not sometimes me who obia. Nyame de ne do certain level be, but ohun say ye no more they be. Min kasebia eye nyame ne bia sebio oda sori no sebia oyire ana ohuni pedu adamfo bia abla bibia eno nche se nyade Nyankopon na adibesi wo mo se bedidi o de bi dutem bia nyame de neme bi fa ablabo na ye bo no ho ade bia ye bia adin ka si wo honhum mu na abepie physical me no mi enu ho nyame woni ne destiny dadaw but bibi na sometimes dutem bia hodi ye back. Sometimes we keep on moving, but at the Kodian chain, and then the say, Bibi wiase. Bibi ni wiase and Kaya yen to imprum. Bibi ni wiase and Kaya yen to your plum. Bibi wiase. We need God. Ye hear say Yankupon bet na ya bra boymu. So tia say, a dear biala, ye sheno, as I say, ye to dream na ye busa nyame, because a hunya dear si cat drite or say you no Yankupon dia. Because me who be what ton pure water. What ton pure water, yes, see. If ye obi what ton pure water, what jaye near one cassa one expect it. Obi to kwa brochre, aqua bread, or body, ya lenia maniane by. All back rampuno or need you obedio. Compare your comparison. Factor to say any panel. Sometimes, baby, you just give your time to God. Appreciate the media man what it. I am not. I am me who be a me who be a I am what the phone and any say Jinya me wow. I am not saying any panel. I feel like just say any pebia now. Or yet the four none nisa jinya me this will be breaking it down. Yes, didn't this will be breaking it down and say a nip biala nyamisha no you cannot break that person down. Won't mean funny my form that because any panel wouldn't nyame or tinyamia say sometimes in puno adoya obeye a humo a kunafo and nemo because Ghana hana ya wono ya wasika 42 for bi o aya na enipa no mu bi judge wo mo enipa no mu bi kansen bi tag wo mo benye bibi nti they have spiritual backbone. If I'm saying say spiritual backbone, obi beka say spiritual backbone here there. Have you seen your spinal cord? Spinal cord. So spinal cord no esa wachi no. So obetimi anante akwaba eye no ana timi ma otimi movie. Because our spinal cord no ye ka say mu obu ana asaya. Then let's just say our life no eye end. Anything you will be spiritual backbone, abrabona wo bono, e de ne bo wachi ban. Wadwuma na wo ye no de ne bo ho ban. Waware na wotim no de ne bo ho ban. Usika na wonya ne de ne bo ho ban. Wakontu na opese wotu ne de ne bo ho ban. Ade na wo ye no adwuma na wo pe no de ne bo ho ban, de na guide wo akopem so obenya. Also sometimes say ye pe bibia yen kan nyame gise asan wie. So sometimes no say this ya kon so hwem ansa na ya kai nyame because Bible no say yen kai no ye mranti blem enye time ye bewu na say ya kai nyame o enye time ye dale ye yare the hospital na say ya kai nyame. Life without Christ is unsuccessful to succeed. My brother, today I am here to inspire you. And then me wa say me no be same way. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Motivation TV. And let us bring more. Me person me no din komo bebre. Because it do ten be a abrabono. Aya na some people you find say too easy. It need too easy. You need to fulfill your assignment. You need to achieve your goals. You have a target for your life. Uwo baby a person who drew abrabo. Nyame de destiny amount. If you want to die today, so person who na person who survive wa abrabo because obi enu wonim say oh sorry ekofa se kind of one year no obonya median or the 1 year ma enwo baby because nyankopon yen so ye nyankopon we so to them try na say enti de na awie anopai anwumrei minua me no wo kasa de me pese me catch on say abrabo na wo bon. Let God be the center of your life. Wa warrior no let God be the center. Wa juma no let God be the center. Wa kontu no let God be the center. Adie bia wo ye na nyame nim no. You find it difficult to go forward. You find it difficult you find it difficult ube bread. The way anopem de me person me catch you and say life without Christ is unsuccessful to succeed. Bye bye.